move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Homestead local and long distance movers near me. Choosing our professional movers means you have less to worry about with your long distance move. Our team offers all the services you need, including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Justifying the cost of hiring a local Florida moving company becomes easier when you look at the benefits. You'll save plenty of time, and hiring local movers will make things more convenient. With an experienced team packing and handling your items, you won't have to worry about your belongings throughout the transportation process. An expert team of movers, such as 3 Movers, offers an easy way to streamline the moving process. If you want to get settled into your location faster, we can help make that happen. While it might take you a week to pack up, load up the truck, and move to your new location, we can get it done in one afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Homestead moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.